So how to change your YouTube channel URL, or it's also called handle. So first of all, you need to go your YouTube channel, and you see this is my current YouTube channel URL, Akramul Hassan blog. So I want to change it. For that, you need to go your customize channel, press on customize channel, and it's open with a different tab actually. And from here you have to go basic info, press on it, and you see this is my YouTube channel name and this is the handle. So I want to change it. So type your URL without handle, without any space. So it's shown it's already taken, so I don't I have to select different username. So it's okay, and then you have to select publish, press on publish, and you need to verify it. So verify it. I am verifying. Done. And changed published. Go to your channel, and you see this is my current URL, man from Bangladesh official. That's I am changed it. So this is how you can easily change your YouTube channel URL or handle easily from your laptop or PC. Hope you enjoy. Please like and do subscribe. If you have any question, feel free to ask in my comment section below. Have a good day.